All right, good morning. Jared around the bend pressure washing, doing work today in Crawfordville. This one's actually just around the corner from me, so worked out pretty well. Planning a graduation party, so we've got brick on the front. The brick really isn't too bad. Along these gutters, those are going to need some help. The real concern, the original complaint was down along the side. They're seeing oxidation. I don't know how well you can see it, but looks like whoever did it before left some striping. So I'm actually planning to come back probably in a couple of weeks. I'm going to do an oxidation treatment on this one, but the customer opted for just a house wash. Got some green down along here, and then this patio back here, gonna get this cleaned up for them. I'm gonna hit this bench as well. It'll just take an extra couple of minutes, nothing fancy. I just told them I'd lighten it up a little bit. Gotta tape over that outlet down along here. Quite a bit of greening. Once again, the gutters definitely could use some help. A lot of vegetation around this place. And then down along this side, the oxidation is not as bad, but definitely some oxidation. So like I said, I'll be back a couple weeks. We'll get that treated, get them all cleaned up. Went through, taped everything up. Always concerned about plant and property protection, so should be a pretty quick job. So beautiful morning, good day to work, so we'll see how it turns out. All right guys, so let's see how it turned out. The brick wasn't bad, so just gave it a quick wash. Down this side, as I mentioned earlier, there is quite a bit of oxidation on this vinyl, so gonna come back and take care of that for them. But this area in here was green, that's all gone. Up above, I think the graduation party is next weekend. So customer came out, he was happy with it. This pavers turned out nice. This patio, I went ahead and hit this bench for him too. Just a quick wash. And then this box as well. This was green down through here. That all came out really well. Up above, windows are nice and clean. And over on this side, same thing. So all in all, turned out well. So one job for today. Gonna go home and relax. And we'll do it all again. So thanks for watching.